Look how much fun we're having.
The sun may rise and it may set, but parents everywhere still haven't slept yet.
Welcome to Parental Gladiators, the show where parenting gets as extreme as it often feels.
Let's take a look at our parental challenge.
Today, our contestants will be facing the birds and the bees and a swarm of bees.
Two of the scariest things on planet Earth. Killer bees and sexual education.
Our contestants will be tasked with giving the always intimidating birds and the bees talk to their child.
But we're not going to stop there, are we, Jackson?
Oh, no, we're not, Chase.
We are going to put our parents inside a glass case filled with angry bees, while their child stands safely outside of that case, staring directly at them.
The clock will be running, so the fastest talker wins.
Let's go down to our on-the-ground parental gladiator correspondent, Sky Jones.
Sky?
Thank you, guys. I'm here with Peter. How are you feeling, Peter?
Feeling really good. I got my 7-year-old daughter here. She's my rock. Right, buddy?
Hi, Dad. Have you spoken to your daughter before about human reproduction?
No. My wife and I are waiting for the right moment.
Well, as the old saying goes, there's no time like the time you're trapped inside a glass case of potential death.
Absolutely.
How are you feeling about the bees?
I'm not afraid of bees. They don't scare me.
Ooh, what does scare you, Peter?
Black mold.
Fantastic. Good luck, Peter.
Thank you.
Now, Chase, what do you think the secret to conquering this challenge is?
Well, Jackson, first and foremost, not having a bee allergy is imperative. And second, remain focused. Stick to the facts and present your information in a concise and mature fashion. After that, it's really just about controlling your heart rate so that the poison from the bee stings doesn't overwhelm your cardiovascular system.
Great advice. And there's Peter's family cheering him on from the sidelines. His brother Jeff, a lawn bowling manager, and his mother Linda, a retired cabbie.
I wonder where his wife is.
Wow, it looks like Peter is all ready to go. Now, his daughter Ellie looks a little nervous and confused.
That is very typical pre-talk behavior.
Okay, sweetheart, just watch Daddy, okay?
You know, Jackson, I am buzzing with excitement.
Well, here come the bees.
Okay, listen. Oh, okay, when when two people really love each other, and they want to make a baby, sweetheart, just listen to Daddy, okay?
Wow, that's a lot of bees.
Okay, when two people really love you, and they want to make a baby, then what they do is they get together and the male daddy, he inserts.
Oh, he is down. I repeat, Peter is down.
That was much faster than I thought.
While they're bringing in the smoker, and he's okay. But unfortunately, he didn't complete the challenge.
Let's take a look at the instant replay.
Now you can see right here he's doing all right, but just as he was about to discuss penetration, his body just gave out on him.
And in an act of desperation, you can see right here, he's trying to open the door with his face.
Ouch! That is gonna leave a mark.
Peter, how was that for you?
It's much more challenging than I expected.
I know it must be hard to speak when your throat is closing off, but perhaps you could elaborate a bit?
Yeah, I thought I was in a good place going in. But then the combination of the bees and the embarrassment was overwhelming.
They tell me that your kidneys are failing. What do you think about that?
I didn't know that, but it would explain the crippling pain.
Wow!
Now, Ellie, how do you feel about how your dad did today?
Good. I was actually glad he collapsed before telling me more about those things.
Mm-hmm. Well, there you have it. Looks like Ellie here is destined to learn everything about sex from her friends and the internet, resulting in a lifetime of misinformation, confusion, and bad choices. Back to you guys.
You know you can train, and train some more for a challenge like this.
All that goes out the window when your body goes into anaphylactic shock.
Well, folks, it's time for us to buzz off.
But be sure to tune in next week when our contestants have to change a diaper on a hammerhead shark.
I'm Chase.
And I'm Jackson.
And this is Parental Gladiators.
Little help here.
Watch some more of our things. Watch some more of our videos. Watch some more of our stuff. You won't be sad that you did. No, no, no.